Hello everyone, welcome to the Droid Guide. If you're not using Cortana on Windows 10, then you might want to disable it. Cortana can make your computer slow because it takes a lot of memory. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable Cortana on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to open the Run dialog box. To do this, you can press Windows key plus R key, or you can go to the search bar and type in Run. On the Run dialog box, type in regedit. Then hit Enter. Click on Yes. On the registry editor, click on arrow beside H key local machine to expand. Next, click on Software. On the Software folder, search for Policies. Here it is. Click on it to expand. Then click Microsoft to expand. Then click on Windows. Now right-click on a blank area here, then click on New and select Key. Over here, type Windows Search and hit Enter. Next, right-click again here and select New. Next, select the word 32-bit value. Rename this, Allow Cortana. So make sure that letters A and C are in uppercase. After that, right-click on it and select Modify. You can also double-click on it. Then enter the value 0 here. So if you entered the value 0, it can disable your Cortana. And if you enter 1, the Cortana will be activated. Next, click the OK button. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.